Hey, it's been a while since I've seen you. Some of you have not even seen yet. But I was told to talk about this pine tree. Do apples come from a pine tree? No. Pine cones come from a pine tree. Some people actually eat pine nuts. Birds like pine nuts. So when they talk about seeds being scattered by nature or scattered by animals, sometimes it's also pine tree nuts, pine nuts. And this tree right here was maybe about this thick, right here. Not that thick when I first got it. And it might have been 7 feet tall. And the man said, take care of this and it might live, because it was kind of a weak one. It wasn't but about this big around. And I kind of forgot about it and kind of took care of it as it grew. And the next thing you knew, the tree's huge. Look how tall that tree is. It's a tall tree. Some trees are shorter than others. Who says the shorter is not as good as the taller? You know, there's so many things that we try to measure things with. But I think this even this pine cone. These aren't from this pine tree, but some people say this is a better one because it's prettier. Well, that's pretty by itself, and they're pretty together. They're just, I don't know. I think they're both important. Look at the beauty of the inside of that. See how it's split? It looks pretty. So this little thing right here is a seed. See a little thing right there? That's a seed. You know, they're in there. But this right here is a flower we didn't take down last year. And inside here is a seed. Do you think it's a pine cone seed? Probably not, because it didn't come from a pine cone, right? So what's that? That's the seed. If we put that in the ground or let that dry out, that'll become next year's seed for that plant. What will it grow? It won't grow an apple, it won't grow a pear, it won't grow a carrot. It will grow that flower, because that's what's in it. That makes sense. So can't wait to see you people, some of you teachers and all you teachers and all you students, but some of you I've seen before, met before. Can't wait to meet you in the garden soon. Have a good winter.